crispy. Slick got a lot of work to do today, but we'll make it shape. We got a warrant for Stone Mountain Moto.
You don't live here, bro. You got the wrong house. What's up, five? Oh yeah.
Nice good bit of protein.
Oh yeah. You gotta get it right.
What's that?
Good job. Good job. Kennedy.
We have to go on the e-bike.
Lawrence or Tomac, Kennedy?
Huh?
Lawrence or Tomac?
How?
Lawrence or Tomac? Which one?
Lawrence.
Lawrence? I didn't think that. She just knew. We'll see.
Half a soccer specialty not gonna like that answer.
They really ain't gonna like next season.
Well, I hear he only doing I hear he only doing Supercross for now. Yeah.
I can see that. I mean, how many more years you been gonna race? You don't got
Forever, bro, I hope. What we doing today?
You get this husky right?
Yeah, man.
You ain't trying to ride, bro. You ain't trying to ride.
I gotta show them what you did to your bike. You done took the wheels off.
Oh yeah, big things.
Yeah, he gotta put the wheels back on.
You got the new wheels?
Yeah, of course.
We got the new wheels for the KTM.
Yeah. So what's your plans coming up, bro? What you got coming up?
Try to get ready for this race, man.
Which one? Which one? We want to know.
Sorts, man. Sorts season started. I think first race is Lamontville River Run, something like that.
So what? You just giving us a race, or you gonna give us a season?
I ain't promising the whole season, but I at least gotta get some redemption back from the first two races last year. You know, your boy hit the ground a lot. I had to run that back. Yeah, but
He's
KTM.
gonna let his battery die.
Just gotta put them wheels on the KTM. Your bike, what we got? We got graphics.
Oh, I'm good.
What's that?
Chains, sprocket. I'm just naming the boring shit first. We gotta put the pin on the peg.
Look at the dog.
A couple goodies. The exhaust.
Kennedy, come on, man. Yeah, exhaust. Graphics.
Yeah.
Graphics, big graphics.
Graphics. What else? We gotta tighten your spokes.
Oh, did you get the spoke too?
I believe I did. I hope I brought it. I think I dropped it in my graphics
I couldn't
kit.
remember if I even told you to get the nipple on the spoke. Missing spokes on the KTM, loose spokes. When your boy riding dangerous. Gotta get the KTM
Sketchy.
right. Let's get work. See if we can get this fucking axle off. We got the stuck axle. I think it's stuck on that bearing or some shit right there. Finally got that rusty ass axle out. Where's that? I don't know. Can't tell. Oh, the bearing. Bearing look kind of ate up. That's probably what the problem was.
Gonna be to the point where I'm gonna slap new graphics on there and then last I'm gonna be like, these tires are just terrible. So I'm gonna have to play that shit too.
Yeah. Boy, I got that Akropovic. Got that there. Oh, you brought it?
Yeah.
Oh, should you put it on?
If you want to.
Might as well throw that motherfucker on. We might need to get that tool to get the real spring puller shit. Oh, did that one get stretched too?
Be corny like everybody else and put the exhaust on the scale.
People be doing that shit.
Yeah.
To show the difference in weight.
Yeah.
It's lighter shit and it sounds good.
I'll probably shit too for like the pegs.
Oh god damn, that is light, bro.
Really?
Damn, that's way lighter than I expected it to be. It don't feel like nothing. Yes, sir. Y'all know about that.
Oh, it's my sister.
You pass me that baby. What I treated in the city show. Oh, this fucking metal bracket. Yeah, it shouldn't be that.
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna be for the front and the rear.
Oh, you need it in front and the rear.
Yes.
Write that down. PNS.
21.
So you put a little rubber number
8121.
You said
8100.
And the front tire is 80. I'm sorry, what? Oh, the front tire is 8121.
You doing MX33s? Or what?
And what was the rear again?
110, 90, 19.
That's like a specialty?
It's like a gear.
Oh,
You got a staple gun?
yep. Air one.
Yeah. My mom got one too, but she needs staples. I might as well just bring the seat back here and staple that shit in the staple.
Oh, yeah. My camera, for some reason. This shit been clean as fuck.
Yeah. You gonna be able to get this bubble out? I'm gonna have to.
Yeah. You probably, if I need to, but right there a little bit, and then what's the squeegee? Look at that fresh exhaust,
Zooey mama.
big freshie. Get in there. Get in there. Damn, that's it. Oh, there we go. Every time I say it, it connects in even more. Then we dropped the spring. I just saw the spring. Am I losing it? Fucking exhaust just look good. Like, damn, shaky. Bro, this damn zip tie method is clutch. Bam. Bam. I feel this all over now. And I just got my ass kicked by this chain. Took like an hour to put that shit on, if not longer. But that's on there. This shit's clean. You missing something?
I got it.
Bike works. Gotta get it in. You got a whole nother energy. Right.
When the day first started.
For real. Folks, what happens when you don't do bike maintenance. You gotta do it all at once.
That sounds good.
It don't move.
No, I'm saying it just sounds sandy.
Oh, yeah. I mean, once it's on there, that shit don't rotate or nothing. Kind of sprocket? Turner? Ted Turner sprocket?
The most affordable.
You know I got the mica. They discount pretty good, even the hook it.
Oh, okay.
And that's what your other sprocket is, Micah. I still know how to say it.
Shit, Mike.
Mike. Yeah. That's what I said on the video. Shit, I just called it a mic. Damn. So far, we haven't done shit. Nothing. We got the chain off though. Had to cut that bitch off. Y'all saw that. Getting the sprocket on. And we can throw these wheels. Chain. We got the Akropovic exhaust. Hey, I'm definitely ordering my shit from Backyard Design next time. They give you a damn squeegee.
Mm-hmm. Shout out to them.
Like, yeah.
This is my second or third maybe graphics through them.
Yeah, we ain't not even sponsored by Backyard Designs, but we fuck with them. It's time to get on these bikes, man. Need to get in the air.